the new Smyrna splash pad in Nashville, Tennessee. Katie loves water, so this is always a hit. There's my two little people. Austin, say hi. Are you having fun? Yeah, let's go find a butterfly. Here, let's see. Oh, there she goes. Oh, we're chasing butterflies today. She loves butterflies. See if it'll land on your finger. Oh, be careful. Oh, say bye-bye. Oh. Oh. There it went. Is it on Mommy? This is a pretty great splash pad here. It is hot today. Austin. Did you see one? Is there one around Mommy? I think butterflies like Mommy. Oh, be careful, guys. You okay? You all right? I caught them one earlier. There he goes. You see one? Oh, that's the blue one again. Is that the blue one? Be careful. Oh, there's another one. You see it? You see it? Hold on. Oh. There's our little setup. Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh, here, hold out your hand. Hold out your hand, Katie. There it is. There it is. Be careful. Be careful. You gotta hold out your hand. Oh, oh, there it goes. Oh, that one likes Katie. And Mommy. And Austin. That's a good one. Oh, there it goes. They don't do it.
I got my glasses on my head.
All right, Austin. There's the butterfly. There's the butterfly. Be careful. Just touch it. Don't. You got, Austin. Oh, just touch it. See if it'll land on your finger. Put your finger up closer. Gotta put it up closer. Oh, put it up. Hold out your first finger like this, Austin. And put it up towards the butterfly. See if it'll land. Put it up towards the butterfly. Here, Katie, it's over here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Where's my pretty girl? Oh, don't spit on it, Austin. Don't do that. Here, Austin, say bye-bye. Look, say bye-bye.